So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can turn on keyboard sound on your iPhone. So for this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and then tap on sounds and haptics. Now make sure that silent mode is disabled. Also, turn this volume to the max level. After this, scroll down and then tap on keyboard feedback. You will see these two options, sound and haptic. Enable sound to turn on the keyboard sound on your iPhone. If you want haptic feedback when you use keyboard, then enable this toggle. After this, you will get vibrations when you use the keyboard on your iPhone. So this is how you can enable keyboard sound on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.